So we discussed about sensitivity, and here is the definition of sensitivity. It is the property of a thermometer for which liquid thread uh, reading on a scale. That means the level of liquid rising. We can say increasing of the liquid thread, or its level going down. We say decreasing the liquid level. So with temperature change, how much the liquid thread is going up or down, that's showing the sensitivity. If the liquid thread is increasing more with specific temperature change like 1 degree Celsius, then we say the thermometer is more sensitive. Okay, so here is the definition of sensitivity, and we have example when the sensitivity is more, and what are the factors we have to vary the sensitivity. We have one example. First example, if a thermometer has a fine bore means smaller diameter, then length of liquid thread will be more for a specific temperature rise than a thicker bore, and the thermometer is more sensitive. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes.
So this is very
Yes, sir.
yeah. This one is very easy for you to understand, and there are some more factors which are affecting the sensitivity. We will discuss them. First, you write this sensitivity, you write the definition, then you write this example. First example directly.
Sir, should we copy the whole thing?
Not the whole thing. I am saying to copy only this part. This part you write. Then I will write the notes. I will discuss again about some other factors. Then I will give you the notes. Then you write. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write only this part. Let me know once you are done with writing. Sensitivity. Hello, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you write this part. After writing that one, you write only this part. Larger bulb, huh? From here you write, huh?
Okay.
Till here. I will explain this one now. Larger bulb contains more volume of liquid. Like if the bulb is containing more volume of liquid, that means this liquid can absorb more heat energy from the surroundings, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So when they are absorbing more heat, then they can also expand more, isn't it?
Yes.
So for uh, for example, we are taking two thermometers, and we are measuring the temperature of a small child, and we are giving the thermometer bulb under the tongue of the child. If the liquid is more, like more volume in the thermometer or in the bulb, then the liquid will absorb more heat from the child's body, right? Isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when the liquid is absorbing more heat from child's body, then it can expand a little bit more, right? So it's showing us, liquid that is more, then it's showing us more sensitive reading. But the thermometer with less amount of liquid, that amount will not be able to absorb that much heat from the child's mouth, then we'll get less sensitive thermometer or less sensitive reading. The liquid level will not rise that much. We are placing in the same place the thermometer, but one is absorbing less heat, another is absorbing more heat. So here is the larger bulb working. Have you understood?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
What about others? All of you understood, Monica? Then
Yes.
Mariam, yeah,
Yes, sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand, let me know, huh, please. Or if you really understood, then you say, yes, we understood. Then I can go to the next one, huh? So this one you understood, larger bulb contains more volume of a liquid, which makes the thermometer more sensitive. Now we are going for this one. This one you write, a thermometer with a smaller range is more sensitive. That much you write only. Is more sensitive. Is more sensitive. And how it is more sensitive, I am showing you. This one we remove. A thermometer with a smaller range is more sensitive. Just beside this writing, write this one, MCQ 5, MCQ 5, MCQ 5 of worksheet 10. This one you write in bracket, you write. And now we are going to that question. Range of thermometer, you understand. Have you written? A thermometer with a smaller range
Yes,
is
sir.
more sensitive. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Monica, please send this part also in our group. Sensitivity part only. Okay. So we are. Have you taken the snap, Monica?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we are going to that example from the worksheet. Look, there are four thermometers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here the first one can measure from 0 to 25 degrees Celsius. So what is the range of this thermometer?
0 degree to 25 degree.
So the range is 25 degrees Celsius, right? Okay, range means the gap, from 0
Okay.
to 25. That is called range. So lower temperature scale and upper temperature scale, the gap or the difference, that is called range. Okay, here for this thermometer the range is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, for this one, the first one. For the second one, what is the range?
10 degrees.
10 degrees, correct. 10 degree Celsius. Mashallah, you understand quickly. Then you all understand quickly, mashallah. Please respond. 0 to 250. What is the range? What is the range here?
250.
Very good, very good. So here we got 250 degrees Celsius. And what is the range here?
300.
No, not 300. 100 to
300.
100 to 300. Then what is the range? 200 degrees.
200.
Yeah, 200 degrees Celsius. So which one has the lowest range?
Q.
Q has the lowest range. So this one we are saying most sensitive. This one we are saying according to our writing. This one is most sensitive. Why? Why it is most sensitive? Because look, for 1 degree Celsius temperature rise, uh, for this one P, if the temperature increases 1 degree Celsius, then the liquid level is rising only little bit, right? Here, if you compare P and Q, the liquid level is rising from here to here, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
But for this one, 1 degree Celsius, the liquid level is rising almost 3 times than the other one, right? From P. You see the gap from 30 to 31, 1 degree Celsius temperature rise, the gap is more, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what is our definition of sensitivity? For each degree Celsius, which one is having more liquid thread increase or liquid level increase, that one is more sensitive, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
And for this one R, you see only this much is giving you huge temperature gap like 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. So for 1 degree Celsius it will go little amount increase. It's very little, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is, we see this one is least sensitive, and this one is better than R, more sensitive, but not that one like the P or Q, right? Q is most sensitive, then P, then S, then R. Is it clear now? How range is
Yes.
how range is affecting the sensitivity? So there you wrote in your example you wrote that MCQ 5 of worksheet 10, right? So this worksheet you will do, then you can recall, yes, we understood it from the worksheet. So this part is over, sensitivity part is over. There is another one related to another factor is there with the sensitivity. Should I tell you that one?
Yes.
Yeah, that is liquid expansion. Liquid expansion ability. Like if you are giving 5 degrees Celsius temperature, increase in temperature 5 degrees Celsius for water and alcohol both, you will see alcohol is increasing more. Like alcohol is expanding more for 5 degrees Celsius temperature rise. Same amount of liquid you are giving in the bulb. The capillary is also same, but even after that, because of their property of the molecular structure, alcohol expansion will be more and water expansion will be less. So which one is more sensitive?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. So that one you can write. I am writing here. Sensitivity. This is the fourth factor. Huh? Sensitivity also depends on liquid expansion ability of sensitivity also depends on liquid expansion ability of Note of, you just write liquids expansion ability. Okay, uh, or expansion ability of liquids. Sensitivity also depends on liquids expansion ability. For example, for the same temperature rise alcohol expands more. In bracket you write liquid trade or liquid level rise. Rises more than water. Therefore, alcohol is more sensitive. Okay, have
Okay,
you
sir.
have you understood it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Maimuna.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Lamisa, you understood, right? Lamisa is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we have Monica. Monica, you understood? Monica, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Adrita, you raised your hand.
Sir, actually, I have another class and I'm running late. So,
Okay.
can I leave?
Okay. So
I
you want to
will
join?
take
You want to
the
join there,
recording.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem. You join there. We will give the recording. Okay. Inshallah.
Okay, sir.
So today we discuss the sensitivity part in front of you. Then we also discuss range. You understood what is range, right? And
Yes, sir.
in our last class, we said also about linearity. Linearity, we will give the definition now. So you take the recording, okay? No problem. And this note is also available in Google Classroom. You can take it from there. We just uploaded it
I
today.
have
Okay,
downloaded it
thank
and
you. Huh?
printed it.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
sir. Assalamualaikum. Allah Hafiz.
So, Monica, you take this snap. Huh? Sensitivity also depends on liquid's expansion ability. Yeah, thank you. Now, range already we discussed little bit. Now you see the definition. You write it range. Hello, are you seeing range?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write this heading, then range. It is the difference of, sorry, this line is better. Yeah, you can write in bracket MCQ 5 worksheet 10. So that already you saw it and we explained what is range over there. And then you write linearity. Linearity you should write from here, huh? From here to here. Like we understood calibrating a thermometer, right? So for calibration, we got a range like from 0 degree to 100 degrees Celsius, and then we got the smaller scale also. Like each of the centimeter is giving us 10 degrees Celsius. So this is called linearity. Like for 10 degrees Celsius, you are getting 1 centimeter. For 20 degrees Celsius, you are getting 2 centimeter. This way it's increasing, right? So it's maintaining a sequence. For each degree Celsius, the liquid thread is increasing 1 millimeter. This property of the liquid expansion is called linearity. Okay, have you understood it?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so you write it, then you write the example also, then you'll understand it more. It's written here in the example, if thermometer's liquid thread increases 2 centimeter for 10 degrees Celsius, then liquid thread will increase 4 centimeter for 20 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. Okay. Are you done with this writing, everyone? Linearity.
No, sir.
Let me know once you are done with writing.
Done, sir.
And take the snap, huh? Please, Monica, send it also. Range and linearity, this part only. And we are done of today's note, and now we are having the recap. Hmm. We are having the recap. So today we did uh, calibration, fixed points, upper fixed points and lower fixed points. We discussed today, huh? And we had discussion on calibration of thermometer, isn't it? We had discussion on calibration of thermometer, how to get upper fixed point and lower fixed point. We discussed. Then we had discussion on sensitivity, right? Sensitivity,
Yes,
factors
sir.
affecting sensitivity, all those factors we discussed with the example as well. Then we had Yeah, discussion like we had discussion on linearity, range, all these things, right? So you learn them, remember them. We are almost done with the topic. We have only few things to discuss. We will inshallah finish next class. And we have a test, right? On Thursday, on the coming Thursday, we have a test on what? The test will be on
8 and 9.
8 and 9 and on MCQ, right?
Thursday.
Only MCQ part, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will you learn whatever you got the notes, you keep on revising whatever the the type of questions you got in the MCQ part, in your worksheet. For both the worksheets you keep on revising. Okay. We will have the discussion revision before test, and I will give you the instruction how to take the test. Okay. Just before the test we will discuss that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Sir. I love it.